welcome back to Hely Handmade and the amazing season of autumn slash the best holiday in the world, Halloween. Can't wait. There's a lot of videos coming up, so you might want to make sure you're subscribed, you know. Make sure you get your notifications of all the lovely craftiness and to come, because there's going to be a lot. I don't know how much I'm going to get through. I've got a massive list. I have been having a great time, and with a little bit of spare money I had the other day, I went to a certain amazing shop, as you've probably seen in the thumbnail. Hobbycraft! So I'm slightly addicted with hobbycraft. Addicted's probably an understatement. I would spend everything if I could. So anyway, yes, I went to Hobbycraft yesterday. Was it yesterday? It was yesterday, which was the 1st of October, which makes it great. And we decided, I say we, me, I decided I needed to go to Hobbycraft because I have a lot of things to buy in order to get ready for this lovely season of October, because who doesn't love autumn and who doesn't love Halloween? So much better than Christmas. Can't stand it. Please get rid of your stuff for Christmas, because Halloween hasn't even been yet. Thank you, shops. Brilliant. So I'm going to show you what I bought from Hobbycraft. Where should I start? So I'm going to start with the thing that I bought that isn't crafty at all, but I just wanted it because it was £1 and it's got rose gold on it. It's a little drinky thing with a straw that needs to be put the correct way round. So yeah, £1, you can't go wrong. I don't have enough cups at all. No, definitely not. Next up, I have, it says red, but it's a slightly orangey red, and a pink. I did buy also the other day when I went to Hobbycraft, because yes, I went again. I bought a white, I bought a white and a glittery red acrylic paint. I've started recording something, so you'll see what that is very soon. I'm so excited. I love crafts. I say crafts. I just love autumn crafts, autumn fashion, autumn makeup, Halloween, just Halloween, everything spooky, scary films. Oh, nostalgic. Anyway, so yes, I bought these paints. I'll put them next to my beautiful little flickering candles. Next up, I bought this stencil because I'm slightly lazy and I wanted to, but you can't, you can't really tell unless no, but it's got like all these little stencil shapes in there that you can use for your different crafts, different painting. And some of them are just easy for, like, if you're doing your normal crafts at home. That's better. That's actually the right way around. Yes, if you're doing like any crafts at home and you want to put stuff on like your windows or you're painting something, that's what I bought this for. I mean, it is mainly for me. I'm not... Everything's for me. Next up, I bought 2 blocks of wood. Now, I bought these because for my autumn crafts, seriously, you're going to have to keep staying tuned so you see what I'm doing with these magical things and what I did the other day when I went out. And if you've seen on Instagram, go subscribe. Links in the description. Don't subscribe, go follow, that's the word. All socials, good. If you followed me on there, you'll see that I may have gone conker picking the other day. Yes, I did. So far cleaned about 150 conkers, so I'm going to go bake those first, just to harden them. I'm going completely off topic, but yes, they are going to be used with these 2 lovely boards of wood, which unfortunately were found in the Christmas section because that was a much bigger section than the Halloween section, which was just a stand. Not happy, Hobbycraft. I'm not happy. So I bought these two for that, and see what it comes out like, and hopefully if they're good they're going to be on my Etsy shop to buy. Next up, I bought a load of black card. I wish I bought orange as well now, but I couldn't. They seem to only be in the A3 size that I wanted. They only seem to be white or black, and I wanted like orange as well and a few other colours, but I think I can't get that in packs. I can get them, I think, just individual sheets, which I prefer it to be in a pack. So in here's got 25 sheets of card. I've got a few things I can't wait to do with those. So I bought a lot more packs of elastic, which I will be, at some point it's on my list to do, to show you how I make masks and actually finish making all the masks that I've cut out and started, because that would be handy as we're now back in lockdown in the UK. Well, up to 6 people, but technically still locked down. Shouldn't have come out. Different story for another time. So yes, we've got some elastic. Both, I've got 2 packs of black, 2 packs of white. Then, because obviously you're excited by this beautiful little piece, it's just black ribbon. I have a craft that involves a lot of sticks and some of my beautiful red flowers. I need to make some more of those. Yeah, I need to make some more of those, but that's a lovely craft coming soon. I'm so excited. I'm just chucking this all mainly on the floor except for the paint. So the next bit that I have, it's alright, I'm just poking myself in the back with a cushion. The next bit that I have isn't for autumn or Halloween crafts at all, but for my wedding, and it's just a few little, they say cream on them, but they're very pinky. They're like a pinky cream, and they're little seed beads. So they're what I'm going to be hopefully doing some weddingy stuff with. I'm not going to tell you too much right now because I'm going to try and vlog the entire lot. Yes we are. And then the last 2 pieces that I got are these sort of rose gold goldy. I can't tell in this light at the moment, my ring light's right bright. Oh, Yorkshire then. No offence to anybody that's Yorkshire, I'm really awful at accents, sorry. So I bought these to do some wreaths at some point. I've got some different autumny wreaths to do, so that should be a lot of fun. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, do you know what'd be cool? If I turn one into like a steering wheel for my little nephew, so when my sister's driving, he can drive. He loves driving this little tiny thing, obviously not a real big car. So yes, that is everything that I've bought so far from Hobbycraft. I think that all came to about just over £23, which isn't bad. I could have spent a lot more in there, and I did restrict myself. I hope one day not to, because, you know, Hobbycraft. I literally could spend hours in that shop. I could live in that shop. It would be the best thing ever. Oh, yeah, Hobbycraft, please, please, please. And all over retail shops, get ready Christmas. Just for a little bit. I know other people like it, but this is the month of Halloween, so Halloween needs to be big. So yes, please, get ready Christmas. But yes, that is everything that I've bought from Hobbycraft so far. We'll wait till payday, see what that brings to me. And then I will be starting to make a few more crafty videos that involve a lot of this stuff and a lot of other stuff that you haven't seen because I didn't buy it, but I went to Woods and picked it. So yes, anyway, thank you for watching. and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you've subscribed, liked, and leave me a comment. If there's any crafts you'd like to see, especially Halloween ones, because that's all I'm going to listen to at the moment, please leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!